In this video, I'll show you how to add a photo gallery to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. Now, that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the tools section, and down below, you will find photo gallery. Simply click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11. And what you could also do is click on the expand arrows at the right corner. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. You will then be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 4 options. On the Photos section, this is where we can upload our photos, so simply click on Upload Photos, and then you'll be able to upload your photos from here. Once you're done uploading your pictures, you will automatically see them right in here. Now what you can do is edit the photos or change their order. Let's say you want to change the order, just simply hold a picture and then you can drag it into whatever order you want this to be. On the right hand side, if you click on the 3 dots for actions, you can either edit, duplicate, or even delete. On the layout section, this is where we can change the layout of our widget. You can choose a carousel, a grid, a vertical masonry, a horizontal masonry, a thumbnails, a slider, and even panoramic. And for this demo, I will go ahead with the grid. On the customize, what you can do in here is change your layout settings. At the bottom, you can even add a heading. You can say photo gallery. At the photo order, you can click on this one, and then you can change your photo order to default or random. On the settings section, this is where you can change your action and photo click. So if you click on one of the widgets, you can change the pop-up. Let's say you want to open photo in pop-up, redirect to a link, or do nothing. On the style section, this is where we can change our font, our background, if that is something that you want to do. Our heading, we can change the color, the photo, as well as the pop-up. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and then click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code on the right hand side, and once you do, it's time to head back to our Wix Studio Website Designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio Website Designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections and then click on Add Section. At the bottom, you want to click on Add an Element as our starting point. And then on the left hand side, you just want to hover until you see Embed in Social. Simply click on that one, and under Embed Code, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to click the top that says Enter Code. And on the left hand side, what you want to do is highlight everything that is in here and then just click on backspace to delete. Once you're done, just simply press on Ctrl V to paste the code that we just copied. And then you want to head over to the bottom and click on the Update button so you can view the changes. Once that's done, you will automatically see your widget, and what you want to do is on the corners of the frame, you will see these circle buttons. Simply hold and then drag, in order for you to expand the widget. Now, the point here is to expand the widget in a way that it would take up the whole section. Another thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to code to customize text, and below here, you want to highlight the first until the end of the code, right click and then click on copy. Now head over back to Wix, and in here, you want to click on the widget. At the top, click on edit code, and on the left hand side, you just want to press Ctrl V to paste the code that we just copied. Now under font family, this is where you can adjust or change the fonts that I have written in here in order to match how you want it to be. Once you're done, go to the bottom and then click on update to view the changes. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget. The next step is to preview the site, so simply go to the top and the right hand side, click on the eye to preview. And as you can see, we now have a photo gallery on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.